Installing GFCI outlets. I have one red and two white connected to regular outlet. Two wire capped black are bypassing the outlet box. I could not get this GFCI to work. All others in the house has the standard two black and two white configuration. Need help?
Hello. My name is I will be happy to assist you with your electrical question. My goal is to exceed your expectations on JustAnswer. 1. Not sure what you mean by the following? Please provide more details. 2 wire capped black are bypassing the outlet box. 2. How many total house wires in the box and their colors? 3. Are you replacing a previous GFCI receptacle? Did the previously installed receptacle at this box location work? Was the receptacle a regular duplex type of receptacle or a combination switch/receptacle? Doesn't make sense why only one hot wire and 2 neutrals in the box? What part of the house are you installing the GFCI? 4. Do you have a 2-wire lead AC voltage tester or an AC voltmeter available?
1. There are 2 black wires, one from each conduit that are capped together. They are not connected to the outlet. 2. 1 red, coming from one conduit to receptacle, 2 white, coming from each conduit and both connected to one side of receptacle, and the 2 black, one from each conduit but they are capped together and not connected to receptacle. 3. I'm replacing a regular receptacle with a GFCI. This is at the washing machine. This is required to sell the house. Both outlets in the receptacle worked and it is not switched. This is the 4th one I replaced, other on kitchen and bathrooms, and they were all normally wired with 2 black and 2 white. 4. I do not.
Thanks for the replies, Jim 1. Did you connect the red wire and a pigtail white wire to the line side of the GFCI?
No, I have not tried that. So to be sure I get it, add a wire, pigtail the 3 and use the 3rd on the line side. Using the red as hot on line side.
1. Just a heads up. You should always have an AC voltmeter available when performing electrical work. Otherwise it can become a guessing game as to which wires are which. 2. Since no meter is available, terminate the red to the line side brass screw. Then make up a 6 inches white pigtail and splice it to the 2 white wires and terminate the pigtail to the silver screw on the line side of the GFCI. Leave the 2 blacks wire nutted together. 3. If the above does not work, you will need an AC voltmeter to confirm that the red is a constant hot wire and the 2 whites are neutral wires. Reply back to me and let me know how you make out. Thanks. Kevin.
Hi Kevin, all works. Thank you for your assistance.
Very good, Jim. Great job on your behalf. If you have any additional questions, let me know and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Otherwise, don't forget to rate me before you log off. The next time you have an electrical question, you can also request for me at http://www.justanswer.com/home-improvement/expert-your-electrician. Thanks. Kevin. Hello again, Jim. Thank you for the excellent service rating. Much appreciated. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Take care and have a great weekend. Thanks. Kevin.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.